Hello guys and welcome to our new math session. Today is just gonna be a lot of practice, plus it's gonna be a homework correction for the last session's homework. So let's start. Here the first question here, it's gonna be page 5, question number 1. Find the missing numbers in each and every question. So if you didn't solve it, so please solve it in 5 minutes and then press continue. Okay, so here I have 49 plus something equals 100. Or by another way, I can say it, what is the complement of 49? This means the same thing exactly. It means the complement of 49, what is the number that if I add it to 49, it's gonna be 100. So let's think about it in the number line. So for example, I have here the number line from 10 to 100. And I have here 49. If I added 1, it's going to be 50. And after that, I will add 50. So it's going to be 100. So what did I add to 49 to reach 100? Exactly. It's 51. Okay, by the same method, you are doing it with 26. So I'm searching for a number. If I add it to 26, it's going to be 100. So I will add 4 to this 26 is going to be 30. And after that, I will add 70. So it's going to be 74. Okay. So for number C, what if I added to 34 is going to be 100. So again, I will add 6 to the 34, so it's going to be 40. And after that, I will add 60 to the 40, so it's going to be 100. So it's going to be 66. Or if you will just think that you will make mistakes in that, if you didn't want to make it mentally, so just make it with a number line, exactly like the first question. Okay, so let's go to number D. Here it's going to be the same, but extra step. Here it's 198. What's the complement of 198? So it's going to be the same thing. I'm just thinking of a number. If I add it to 192, it's going to be 1000. So again, I can say what is the complement of 192? So it's going to be the same question. So I'm searching for a number. If I add it to that, it's going to be 1000. So I will add 8. So it's going to be 200. And after that, I will add 800. So it's going to be 1000. So the answer is going to be 808. So let's have an example with the number line. Here I have 222 plus something equals 1000. So let's draw a number line. So I have here 100, 200, and until we reach 1000. So first I will add here, this is the place of 222. I will just add 78 to reach 300. And after that, I will add 700 to reach 1000. So the answer is going to be 778. Okay, for the last question, it's 366. Guys, again, if you think that you will make mistakes, just draw a number line and work on the number line. So I will add here at the beginning, I will add 4 to be 370, and after that I will add 30 to be 400, and after that I will add 600. So it's going to be 634, and this is the answer for this question. Okay, let's go for the next question. Here, question number 2, calculate using a written method. So pause the video for 5 minutes and get back to me again. Okay, so here I have 324 plus 143. The written method is just like that. I prefer to write it down in column method. So here I will add 4 plus 3, so it's going to be equal to 7. After that, 2 plus 4 equal to 6, and 3 plus 1 equals to 4. It's very easy, yeah. Okay, so the answer is 467. Let's go for number B. Here I have 628 plus 461. So add the units with the units, which is 8 plus 1 equals 9. And after that, 2 plus 6 equals 8. And 6 plus 4, so it's going to be equals to 10. So the answer is going to be 1089. Okay, question number C. 463 plus 227. So I will add the 3 plus 7 equals 0 and carry up 1. And after that, 7 plus 2 equals 9, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the answer is 690. Then, question number D, 428 plus 339. So add the 8 with the 9, so it's going to be 17. So 7 and carry up 1. 2 plus 3 equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. So it's going to be 6 here and 7 here. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So the answer is 767. And guys, don't be shy on something. Here, if you cannot add 9 plus 8 mentally, by the way, you can add it on your fingers. You can count. After 9, you can count 8 fingers and you will reach 17. No trying that. The shy here or the shame here you will get if you get a wrong answer. So don't be shy on counting on fingers. If you cannot make it mentally, just count. Just don't make mistakes. This is the most important thing. Okay, question number E, 548 plus 365. I will add the 8 with the 5, so it's going to be 13, 3 and carry up 1. 5 plus 6 equals 11, so it's going to be 1 and carry up 1. And then 6 plus 3 equals 2, 9. So the answer is 913. Okay, so the number F, it's 754 plus 87. 4 plus 7 equals 11, so 1 and carry up 1. 6 plus 8 equals 14, so 4 and carry up 1. And 7 plus 1 equals 8, so the answer is 841. Okay, question number D. 674 plus 289. I'm adding the 4 plus 9, so it's going to be equals to 13, 3 and carry up 1. And now I have 8 plus 8 equals to 16, so 6 and carry up 1. 7 plus 2 equals to 9, so the answer is 963. And for the last question, it's 453 plus 548. 3 plus 8 equals to 11. 1 and carry up 1. 6 plus 4 equals to 10, so 0 and carry up 1. And 5 plus 5 equals to 10, so the answer is 1001. Okay, question number 3. I need you here to just calculate using a written method and pause the video for 5 minutes again and get back to me. Okay, here. So question number A, I have 548 minus 231. So I will just make it with the column method again. 8 minus 1 equals to 7. And 4 minus 3 equals to 1. And 5 minus 2 equals to 3. And here for question number B, 674 minus 253. It's 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 7 minus 5 equals 2. And 6 minus 2 equals to 4. 421. Okay, guys, this is very easy, so let's go for question number C to find out a little bit here, like carrying up and borrowing from next door and so on. So here, it's 3 minus 9. Can't be. I cannot do that. So I have to borrow from next door. So this is the 5. I will just borrow from it. So it's going to be 4. And this 3, it's going to be 13. So 13 minus 9, yes, I can do that. So it's going to be 4. And 4 minus 3 equals to 1. And 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay? Okay, let's have another one here for borrowing up again. So 758 minus 527, it's going to be 8 minus 7 equals 1. Easy. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Very easy. And 7 minus 5 equals 2. So the answer is 231. Okay. 824 minus 435. Again, 4 minus 5. I can't do that. So I have to borrow from next door, which is 2 here. If I borrowed from the 2, 1, so it's going to be 1. And this 4 is going to be 14. So 14 minus 5 equals to 9. And again, 1 minus 3, it can't be. So I have to borrow from next door. So this 8 is going to be 7. And this 1, it's going to be 11. So 11 minus 3 equals to 8. And 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So the answer is 389. Okay, 608 minus 444. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. And 0 minus 4 can't be. So I will borrow from the 6. So it's going to be 5. And this 0 is going to be 10. So 10 minus 4 equals to 6. And 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Okay, 735 minus 380 minus 348. So 5 minus 8, I can't do that. So I have to borrow. So this 3 is going to be 2, and this 5 is going to be 15. 15 minus 8, yes, it's 7. And 2 minus 4, I can't do that. So I have to borrow from the 7, so it's going to be 6. And this 2 is going to be 12. 12 minus 4, is going to be equals to 8, and 6 minus 3 equals to 3. The final question, 1003 minus 86. So 3 minus 6, so I can't do that. So I will go to borrow from next door. But it's 0. I can't do that. So I have to jump again to the next door. Again, it's 0. So again, the last time I will jump to next door, it's 1. So I will borrow from this one is going to be 0, and this one is going to be 10. But take care. I will borrow from this 10. I will borrow 1 from here to I will borrow 1 from it to here. So instead of writing down 10, I will make it 9. And after that, I will borrow from this one. It's going to be 9 again. And this one is going to be 10. So it's going to be 13. So 13 minus 6 is going to be equal to 7. And 9 minus 8 equals to 1. And 9 minus 0 equals to 9. And this is the answer, 917. Okay, let's go to question number 4. The numbers here in the squares are the sum of numbers in the circles. So I have the number on the squares. In the squares are the sum of the numbers in the circles. So I need to find the missing numbers here. For example, for the first one here, it's the number in the circles. I have to add it to get the number in the squares. Okay, so I will add, for example, here 38 plus 27, so it's going to be equal to 65. And here, to get this number, I will just think about it. Like I will add 27 plus what equals to 76. Or, by another way, I will just make it 76 minus 27. Okay, so it's the inverse operation as we had last session. So it's going to be equals to 49. So again, make sure of yourself, make the inverse operation. So 49 here plus 27 here, it's equal to 76. And the last one in the first part here, it's 38 plus 49, which equals to 87. Okay, let's jump to the second question. Here I have to get the first one, I have to get this circle. So I will get it by this way, 137 minus 75. So it's going to be equal to 62. And then again, make it 117 minus 62 to get the number in the circle, which is going to be equals to 55. 117 minus 62 is going to be equals to 55. And after that, add 75 plus 55, which is going to be equals to 130. Okay, the last question here in the question number 4, it's a little bit like needs something more than addition and subtraction. It needs equations. So to be able to solve it like right now, you will just make it with trial and error method. If you cannot do it with equations, and you will be able to do it like in this trimester, you will I will give you like how to make an equation, how to solve two equations together, so you will be able to do it later. But right now you will just make it trial and error. Okay, so the answer here for this question is going to be 83, and once you get one circle, so the other circles is going to be very easy. So here is going to be 72, and the last one is going to be 47. Okay, let's go to the final question, question number 5. The numbers in the squares are the product of numbers in the circles. So find the missing numbers. So here I have this one, and this one, yeah. So I need you guys to pause the video just for 2 minutes to solve this question and get back to me. Okay, so here I will start here. This is a missing number here. It's 5 times 7 equals to 35. Right now I'm multiplying, I'm not adding. Here the numbers focus on the question. Read the question very carefully, guys. Make sure that you understood the question. Like the numbers here in the squares are the product. So I need its multiplication, not addition anymore. So 5 times 7 is going to be equal to 35. And here, 7 times 9 equals to, here's 9 times 5 equals to 45. And here 9 times 7 equals to 63. Here in this one, it's 12 times 9, or 63 divided 9 equal to 7. So 7 times 12 equals to 84, and 12 times 9 equals to 108. Easy, huh? It's very easy, but needs just like to be very aware of the times table. So here it's gonna be the same thing like the last question, but here we are making it trial and error. It's gonna be easier than the sum. Okay, so here I'm thinking of a number. If I multiply by two, if I multiply two numbers together, it's going to be 56. What do you think? It's 8 times 7. So try to put the 8 here and the 7 here and try to make it. You will find out that you will not be able to make it like that. You have to make the 8 here and the 7 here to make to make this combination works. Okay, so here it's 8 times 7, and again here it's very easy right now. So what times 8 equals to 96? It's gonna be 12. Okay, so this is the lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.